Okay, so need to check it. Maybe I will check it, make a little bit different when in tutorial page. Okay. So next, let's go to make the bracelet. Okay, today I will make the bracelet in this design. We will going to make a set. Okay. How much is the wire number in mm? This stubbing is the 0.8 millimeter wire we use. 0.8 millimeter wire we use. Okay. Here. So next, let's going to make a bangle. I'm going to make a bangle in memory wire. Okay. Here now we're going to make it in a set in the memory wire here. And I will use the piece of the wire in a pro set. Okay. Okay. Here, this one is the 0.3, and we will go make a bangle. Today we will make a bangle set. Here, this one. Okay, here. We are going to make a bangle by the memory wire. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to my live streaming. It's a channel show with you how we making the jewelry by ourselves. We'll make a bangle. This is the fresh water pearl today we use. Okay, fresh water pearl we made here, and then we will use the spring. We will use the spring today. Here, this is the spring coin. We will put with the wire 0.4 here. Cut it 62 feet. Okay. Then go wrap it. 3, 4. Okay. Wrap it several times here. Then we go through the piece here. Let the wire go inside it. Thank you, Thousand Crabber. Here is a channel share with you how we making the jewelry by ourselves. We are not a shop that sell the ready-made. Here we make the bangle is to show with you how to use this spring and how to make the bangle by yourself. Tutorial here, free tutorial. So then we're going to let the wire be wrapper here. Okay, it's wrapper like this. Then we are tight. Okay, And let's go to move it to make this spring to make like a sport. So you are going to use your finger to move, move, move. So here's the way that's how you making the bangle by yourself. Wrap, wrap, wrap. This way. Wrap. So we got it. We are not wrapped by this spring like this. You just twist the spring here and wrap. See, you just twist the bangle here. Got the way here. It's twist the way that you are going to make a. So when you wear on your hand, it's very nice, right? It's easy making. Wrapper, wrapper, wrapper. Free tutorial here to show with you how to making the jewelry. Okay. Wrapper. Okay. Then the last piece, we use the copper wire tied here. Okay. And this one tight, tight. Okay. So it's a bangle like here. Thank you. And then the another side will continue to put with this probe. This is the 3mm fresh water probe. It's a little bit like the surface is not so perfect, but this is why said is a nature probe. Okay, nature probe. So we continue string these beads in. I just love it, the nature look here. Yeah, we wrap the spring here on the memory wire bangle here to show with you how to finish a bangle by yourself. It's not so much harder as you imagined before. We put the fresh water pro on the end, so it looks nice. Here. Left and right is not the same length. That's why I just make it A and B different, not the same on left and right. Okay, so the last end we cut away the beads, the wire, cut away the wire. Okay, I move away 3 beads. We test the size if it is just okay. It's a little bit long here. Okay, it's good, and so I take away the 3 and put the glue, super glue here. Hi, Moonrose, happy to see you. We'll make a memory white bangle here. So put a little glue, then put the beads inside faster in case it's not going to be dry. Here, the last piece need a little bit glue more. Okay, here. So this is the piece of the bangle, and this one is the memory wire bangle. So that's why you can see even I bend it the shape like this, then it's not going to be out of shape. What kind of spring did you put on the wire? Actually, the spring is the same as the spring, the French coin. Yeah, French coin. If you want, you can get it in my shop. Let me show you. 那个 spring 给我拿一下。Okay, I'm going to show you. Yes, it's a super glue, Nikki. Kitty, I'm show you what kind of the spring we use. Della, can you fit a wax cord through chain 1493? Wax cord through chain 1493. Let me check. 1493. Here, one bangle way down. DIY for you. 0 点 is 0.4 made into a spring. Okay, yeah, I'm going to show you how to make the spring. Yeah, let me show the people how to make the spring. Okay, here. Then this one is the piece of the bangle we made. And we will go into continue make some other bracelet. We will make a bracelet set by the gold color and the pearl. Okay, gold and the pearl set. I lost a bit of my horse.